Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Guys, if your Android phone's hotspot internet isn't working on your iPhone, then this video is for you. In today's short video, I'll show you exactly how you can fix this issue on both your Android phone and your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, on your Android phone, open the quick settings panel. Now turn on airplane mode. Wait for about 30 seconds and then turn it off again. So guys, doing this will refresh all your phone's Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth settings. Now go back to the home screen and launch the settings application. Next, scroll down in settings and tap on system. Then tap on reset options or reset phone. This may vary depending on your device. Now tap on reset Wi-Fi settings at the top of the page. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Here tap on reset settings to confirm. You may need to enter your phone's pattern or password. This will only reset your network settings and none of your personal data will be deleted. After the reset is complete, go back to the main settings menu and tap on hotspot and tethering. Now set up your portable hotspot again. Choose a name and set a password of your choice. Now let's reset the network settings on your iPhone. Open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. Then scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset and then select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode if asked and tap again to confirm. Now your iPhone will restart once. This process will reset all your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, VPN and APN settings, but none of your personal data will be erased. Once your iPhone turns back on, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect it to your Android hotspot. Now check if the internet is working properly. I really hope this solves your problem. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.